नमस्ते बच्चों, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। माई सेल्फ जेवियन डॉक्टर तेजस्वी जैन फ्रॉम फैकल्टी ऑफ आयुर्वेदिक साइंस, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ नेचुरोपैथी एंड योगा. Today's topic is introduction to iris diagnosis. Iris is a flat and ring-shaped membrane behind the cornea of the eye with adjustable circular opening in the center called pupil. This is the structure that provides an individual with eye color. The iris is made up almost entirely of connective tissue and smooth muscle fibers. The nerves of the iris are connected to the part of the brain known as hypothalamus. In iris diagnosis, what we do is, it is said that our whole body is represented in the iris, and the left eye is believed to correspond the left side of the body and right side of the eye is with right side of the body. In general, the higher organ like brain, thyroid are the top of the iris and the lower organs represent the bottom of the iris. So when you read the iris, there are several characteristics that are studied. That includes not only the layers, colors, rings and spots. So there are several layers that represent the 4 stages of the tissue activity, that are acute changes, subacute changes, chronic changes and degenerative changes. By visualizing which layer has the defect, one can decide what is the problem. So here you can see that right iris representing the areas, various areas in our body, and any changes in that area, we can, if we find any changes in particular area, we can say that that area is having some kind of problem. For example, between 2 to 3 o'clock there is a thyroid gland and below that there is a bronchus. So any changes in this area will say that there is a disease in this area. In same way, you can see down between 5 to 6, 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock, there is a kidney, adrenal gland. So any changes in this area will say that kidney is having issues. And the center part of the area represents our stomach and large intestine, small intestine and large intestine. So you can see that here it is a small intestine. Next is left eye. Right eye represents the small intestine and left eye represents the large intestine. Here you can see that transverse colon, descending colon, sigmoid and rectum. So you can see that it is somewhat like mirror image of right eye. So in right eye there was thyroid was between 2 to 3 o'clock, but here it is between 9 to 10 o'clock. So you have to see that our whole body is divided in 2 halves and it represents the right and left side of the body. Thank you. If you have any doubts or any questions, you can comment below.